Next on the left side menu is the song list. This is where you will find the songs used across the site and in the pre-made lessons, with all of their associated resources. By default, all songs are listed, but you can use the filters on the left to select a specific grade. The songs are displayed in the order they are used in the lessons. If using the list view, it will also show that if the song teaches a specific tone set or rhythm, and show any notes specific to the song. If you open a song page, you will see all the resources available for that song. At the top, you can see the details of the song, with a few key ones visible and the rest under the Extra Details button. Immediately beneath that, you will find the audio tracks for the song. The majority of the songs will have both a vocal track and an accompaniment track, with the vocal track being selected by default. You can play the track from here directly and adjust the volume and playback speed using the controls. Accompaniment tracks will also have a button to download the track. Below the audio tracks, you will see the videos for the song. Most songs will have a notation and a lyrics video. Many songs will also have a kids demo showing students singing the song in a classroom or at a performance. Any other videos related to that specific song will be found here as well. Below the videos are the song's supporting resources, split into 4 categories. The projectables/concept slides are interactive slideshows. As with the videos, most songs will have a notation slide and a lyric slide. Longer songs will have both a one-page lyrics and a regular lyrics slideshow. Next to the projectables is the interactives. These are interactive activities related to the song specifically or concepts related to the song. Below the projectables are any arrangements for the song. Most will have a piano arrangement, but you can also find ukulele, boomwhacker, orff, and various other arrangements depending on the song. Next to the arrangements are the printables for the song. These are any PDFs related to interacting directly with the students, including worksheets, flashcards, or other manipulatives. Near the bottom of the page is the Teacher Tools section and the lyrics for the song. In the Teacher Tools, you will see a few helpful documents for using the song in a lesson or seeing how it is used in the pre-made lessons, as well as a link to the lesson it is used in. You can click on the song list to find more songs, or use the quick links on the left to jump straight into another song.